Hello everyone, I am Nita Malchandra, student from Brisang Training Consistency of Dhankodi. Today I will share video on technical topic is a respiratory system. A respiratory system is a set of organs that allow a person to breathe and exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body is called a respiratory system. Respiratory system is follow the two tasks: external respiration and internal respiration. External respiration means exchange the oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body is called external respiration, and internal respiration oxygen to cell and expel the carbon dioxide is called internal respiration. Respiratory system in which the two zones, conductive zones and respiratory zones. Respiratory system in which the organs are divided into two: internal respiration and external respiration. External respiration in which the organs are nose, nasal cavity, pharynx and larynx, and internal respiration in which the organs are trachea, bronchi, alveoli and lungs. Firstly, I will start the external respiration organs. Nose. Nose is the first organ in the respiratory system. These are intake the air and purified the air. Purified air because which present in the cilia. Second is the pharynx. Pharynx is the common pathway of the food and air. It is also called as throat. And pharynx are divided into three sections: orthopharynx, narropharynx, narropharynx and larynopharynx, etc. And pharynx next to the larynx. Larynx is also called as vocal cord, which produce the sounds and which are the narrow tube is a pharynx. And next to the internal organs in which the trachea is a windpipe, and which are trachea are present in the divided into the many branches of the lungs. And trachea are divided the lungs in the body, which are end of the trachea is the bronchi. And trachea in which the first filtration process is and bronchi in which the secondary filtration process is present, and bronchi is the many branches of the trachea. And bronchi is end of the which present the alveoli. Alveoli is the main part of the oxygen supply, and alveoli which is the exchange the oxygen in the body. And next to the lungs is the main part of the respiratory system. These are present in the left and right sides of the body. And lungs which are lungs in which the purified the oxygen. And functions of the respiratory system which maintain the pH in the body, filter the respiratory air, produce sound and etc. Produces sound, etc. These are the respiratory system. Next to the diagnosis and diseases of the respiratory system. There are the many diseases of the respiratory system, like respiratory tract infection, sinuses, asthma, tuberculosis and etc. Asthma is a swelling of ear sacs, in which the treatment of the use of the asthma pump. And tuberculosis which is produced by the infected by the mycobacterium tuberculosis. And sinus is a disease in which the infections of the sinus, and respiratory tract infection in which the common cold diseases. And diagnosis in this treatment in these diseases is X-ray, blood test, swag test and any other test. And these are the all information for the respiratory tract system. Thank you so much.